everyone, this is Soumya and if we talk about climate तो आजकल सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं पूरे विश्व में क्लाइमेट की ऐसी हालत है कि कुछ पता नहीं है कब कहाँ फ्लड हो जाए, कब कहाँ रेनफॉल शुरू हो जाए, कब कहाँ स्नोफॉल शुरू हो जाए। जैसे रिसेंटली हमने देखा। तो अब हम बैठे हैं आईकार्स में और हमारे साथ एक बहुत एक्सपीरियंस सीनियर साइंटिस्ट हैं विजय मैम। वेलकम मैम। हमारे इंडिया में क्लाइमेट का इम्पैक्ट दिखने लगा है ओवरऑल, हीट वेव्स हो, फ्लड्स हो, रेनफॉल पैटर्न्स हो। तो आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है साइंटिफिक रिसर्च या आप कह सकते हो कोऑर्डिनेटेड नॉलेज शेयरिंग व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट दीज डिजास्टर्स हैपनिंग अराउंड अस एंड हाउ प्रिपेयर्ड इंडिया इज फॉर दीज चेंजेस?
Thank you, Soumya. Thank you for welcoming me to this forum. And as you asked, that scientific research, the scientific research is very important, and it helps us that how the climate change is affecting different parts of India, and these knowledge needs to integrated or reach to the policymakers and institutions. To become easier to plan the better solutions.
Absolutely.
And this coordinated knowledge sharing ensures that the right information reaches to the decision makers on time and helping the country prepare for the said disaster, whether it is heat wave, cold wave, flood or other hazards.
So true मैम, क्योंकि लर्निंग हमारी लेसन्स तभी बनते हैं जब हम अपनी पिछली गलतियों से सीख के कुछ नया कर पाएं। सो दैट कम्स टू माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैम कि ये एड्रेस पोर्टल जो आईकार्स और आप जैसे एक्सपीरियंस साइंटिस्ट प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, इसकी जेनेसिस क्या है?
Let me start from the beginning that this adaptation, resilience and sustainability portal, if I start with the national level, it's a national adaptation plan for climate change. It has 8 missions.
Okay.
So out of 8, 2 missions, NMSKCC and NMC is taken care by the DST.
Right.
And NMSKCC is National Mission on Strategic Knowledge on Climate Change. And this mission, the first objective of this mission is to focus on the knowledge integration.
Right.
And also apart from that, the National Platform for Disaster Risk Reduction, the third session of National Platform of Disaster Risk Reduction also talks about that there should be a knowledge integration for the better coordination and policy making. It also helps in policy making, and Prime Minister's 10-point agenda also talks about it. So these are the mandates which are Government of India's mandate, where recognizing the need, the Department of Science and Technology interested ICARs, IIT would be with the responsibility of developing unified platform for knowledge integration, which is adaptation, resilience and sustainability network, that is in short address network. This was shaped in 2023 in a national consultation workshop organized by DST, where this idea came that we should have, there is a fragmented knowledge. The fragmented researches are going on pan-India and people are working in the silos. The similar kind of research same people are doing, but it's not we are not integrating it. So there should be some platform where we can integrate all the researches, all the work which are being done on the climate change adaptation and DRR. So keeping that in mind, we have developed this concept, and it was the DST has given us the mandate to develop such kind of platform at national level, and it aims to integrate scientific knowledge generated by Center of Excellences, which are DST Center of Excellences, also the government agencies who are working on the climate change and DRR, and other institutes, ministries.
Platform में how will it help to connect different institutions working on climate change? कैसे connect करेंगे?
So address network it's a very good question. I will brief you how it will work, what is the architecture of it.
जी.
So adaptation, resilience and sustainability network, we have divided it into 4 verticals.
अच्छा.
Feeder, policymakers, implementers and resource hub. Now, the feeder particle will have all the COEs, Center of Excellence,
Okay.
on board,
Okay.
which are working in the field of climate change adaptation and DRR. Then policy makers, where we will have all the central ministries, the nodal ministries, key ministries who are working, and their institutes.
Okay.
And the implementer vertical will have all the SDMAs and climate change cells pan India, and they will be act like a implementers.
Okay.
Like the ministry's role is the policy.
Okay.
Policy guide, providing policy guidance or policy making, and then these are directed to the states, to implement it.
Right.
So research goes to policymakers. Whatever we have, the research is being done, and what are the gap areas is translated to the policy users. Policy users is implement or amend in the policy guidelines, and that goes to the state level. So that way it will work. And then resource work, resource hub. This is in this vertical we are having international agencies, bilaterals, multilaterals. We will take them on board, where they will be sharing their experiences, their work, and their case studies, which will be like a kind of a resource generation from the external hubs. So this will be the architecture. Also, we are also having the thematic clusters in the platform, where the like-minded researchers will be in a one thematic cluster. For example, somebody is working on nature-based solution. So all the nature-based solution people will be, in that thematic cluster, NBS, or somebody is working on the water or heat wave or different sectors. So sector-specific thematic clusters we will be having, and then their like-minded people will join that cluster. So there will be like a like-minded research, and there won't be any duplication of the research. So this is the purpose, is to avoid the duplication of the research and synthesize the knowledge which is like useful for policy making and further implementing.
इतने सारे रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश होते हैं ओवर द इयर्स, एवरीथिंग इज देयर, एंड उनका जो पॉलिसी इंप्लीमेंटेशन है ग्राउंड लेवल पे, यू एंड आई एंड एवरीबडी नोज वेरी वेल कि कैसे होता है. क्या एड्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म का ऑब्जेक्टिव ये भी है कि रिसर्च इंसाइट्स को डायरेक्टली पॉलिसी एक्शंस और डिसीजन मेकिंग तक ट्रांसलेट किया जा सके?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. एब्सोल्युटली. सो आईकार्स का मैंडेट ही हमारा है कि इट एम्स टू प्रमोट पॉलिसी लिंक्ड रिसर्च, एक्शन रिसर्च एंड नॉलेज इंटीग्रेशन.
राइट.
तो हमारे जो मैंडेट में है कि हम जो है रिसर्च को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे पॉलिसी में, हम साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेशन को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे पॉलिसी एंड एक्शन में, और हम जो है नॉलेज और एक्सपर्टीज को डिसेमिनेट करेंगे.
करेक्ट.
तो these are our mandates, and on these lines we are working, and our aim is to bridge the gap between science, policy and practice.
Right.
So
main key players, when you talk about development of any country, these are main key
these are
players.
main key players.
So you are back bridging the gaps.
If we bridge the gap, we can
Absolutely.
So idea here, one more thing I wanted to add, that see, the National Mission on Strategic Knowledge Climate Change, NMSKCC, its objective is to convert the research outputs into strategic research. So strategic research is something which can be converted into policy making.
Right, right.
So here we will be synthesizing the research which are being done on these subjects which we are talking about. They are properly synthesized, and we will bring the white papers, policy briefs, policy papers, case studies, and once the portal will be live, all the DST COEs will come together, they will share their work.
Well, congratulations on conceiving this summit for Address Network, and all the best for the launch that is coming on 16th.
Yes, and I invite everybody, please be part of our summit, and looking forward.